Does scissors still seem real sharp?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a stupid Italian mutt getting a haircut. And get a flea bath pretty soon. There's a twerp working on her how-to video. It's like Kanga's enjoying this. Her eyes are looking sleepy. Oh, that good dog. He's laying there, letting her get her haircut. Good girl. You too, CJ. Good girl. I wasn't recording. Get out of here. Oh.
I was recording the whole time.
I was trying to get a big flea on.
Please don't focus on the feeling. Just
Oh,
focus
there
on
they
the job
are.
our
There
daughter's
they
doing.
are. Now you can see him crying around.
Jeff! Really?
Oh, just quiet. There's Kanga dog sleeping. Shh. She's enjoying it. Oh, I can't, not from here. Oh, and there's Tiny Dog trying to peek out the window to see what's going on.
Hey, baby.
Silly dog.
Oh, hey, you can get all the food.
So far there's some of the Kanga hair.
Poop.
Holy crap, look at that piece of fur. It was all flea poop. Flea poop and eggs.
Poor girl.
It's like we don't take care of our dogs or something.
No, just Kanga.
It's not my fault. I crippled. Otherwise I'd do it all already.
Jeff, you liar!
Like you even did before.
Kanga, say hi.
Please don't do that, Daddy.
CJ, say hi.
Hold on.
Oh, there's Tiny Dog. She won't stop jumping around. See, there's her paws. Oh, there's her nose. You can see her nose. Oh, she's crying.
Oh my god, they kind of look weird.
They're like clear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's moving. Hello, boys and girls. These are the little chicks that we found that hatched.
It's like Uncle Doug's helmet.
And it's like... Ew. It's helmet. It's moving. Weird. Let me see it. It's moving.
Okay, that's light.
There's like heads everywhere.
So they're only a day old.
Yes.
Ew.
Oh, what happened? Why is it all fuzzy? There we go. That is amazing. In our carport. Okay. Is a shot of the helmet? Yep.